the port broke on the neck. See it right there. Zoom in at it. See that? And that's where it was leaking. So now we're going to switch out the radiator. So we got the radiator out last night, drained the coolant, and today we're going to install the new radiator and attach the fans. We're also going to change the serpentine belt, and we're also going to do the brakes and see what else we can do here. But now that we have everything off, we might as well get other stuff done while we can, right? So right now we're going to take off the old serpentine belt, and the way to do that is you're going to go to the tensioner pulley, which is this pulley down here, and you're going to get probably a 14 or 15 millimeter, lock it in, crank, and that'll loosen the belt. Okay. And just like that, that's how the belt comes off. You want to inspect the pulleys, make sure. Oh, this one needs this. This is the tensioner pulley here, idler pulley, and it looks like the bearings might be going bad soon. You hear that sound? Yeah. And just like that, belt's taken off. All right, so here's the new belt. Before you put it on, you want to make sure you inspect it, see if there's any tears or any slashes, cuts, lacerations to the belt. Before, that wouldn't be too good if that happened on the highway, you know. So, and then when you put it back on, you want to make sure you put it on the correct configuration as if you took it off. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that before you take the belt off, maybe snap a picture or something of the configuration of the pulleys. And all right, the new belt has been put on. Before you do anything, you want to make sure that the belt is officially in the grooves on each pulley and nothing's hanging over before you start up. So, but I needed 2 hands for that one. That one was tough. So now we're gonna install the new radiator. Gonna make sure that we line it up with those 2 prongs, those 2 holes right there, and we'll see how this goes. So here's the new radiator. When you're installing the radiator, you want to make sure that you're extremely careful so you don't damage the fins. You want to just line it up. Okay, I think I got it. It's still leaking. Can't find those prongs. Let's see. Hold on here. Okay, that's one. Cheers. All right. It's in.
What's next?
Now I gotta screw in the bolts here.
And then after that?
And then after that, we gotta connect the hose, coolant hose, and the bottom hose, the 2 fan wires, and that'll be it.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how hard is this project?
I'll say like a 5. It's not too hard. So.
Good.
All right. Awesome. Gonna adjust the clamps here on the top coolant line so it turns and it lines up. Okay. And just make sure that's flushed. Yeah, make sure that is flush. Okay. Perfect. And then we're gonna take off this cap right here before you put that on. Here's the other clamp. We gotta make sure we get this clamp on. All right, so now we just finished installing the radiator. Clamps, we're gonna just put it back on. We're gonna fill up the radiator and get this thing started and see how this runs. All right, so we just finished installing everything back to normal. Undercovers on, belts all good. Let's start it up and see if it runs without any issues. Looks good to me. Thanks for watching.